equipa.
Hello, we are Team Vaisala, and we are here to present our project. Our sponsor is Vaisala, which is a world leader of weather, environment, and industrial measurements, and it's known for its innovation. They have clients in over 150 countries, and they install it globally. Our team is composed by multiple areas, such as business, engineering, marketing, and design. And in the Porto team, we have Francisca and Ariana from marketing, and me and Karina from design. This allowed us to have multiple perspectives, which led us to a better solution for our team. The most essential part of our project was to understand what HVAC systems were. They are heating, cooling, and air circulation devices, which propose to control and monitor climatization systems. They measure temperature, humidity, and air quality, and they usually automatically regulate through the system.
Okay, so you can see for the furrow, the previous sensor design had a heavy structure with several screws, which complicated the work of technical team. Yeah, so imagine now our technician Karina to do any calibration or even maintenance. She needs to carry with her a backpack with all the necessary equipment. For example, a computer with battery, specific cables to connect, tools to remove the screws, and even a scale. This whole process is timeless. It's time. It's prior preparation and requires time with multiple logisticals and technical requirements. So we're kind of familiar to our challenges. Our challenges was to develop a new sensor design, was simple to use, easier to configure, and more practical to maintain. A lighter, more intuitive, and efficient solution capable of reducing technical intervention time and simplify the installation process.
So our solution was the solution that we proposed was an intuitive and all-digital app that's personalized to each technician that is working with the HVAC sensor. The app works via NFC technology, so it's a wireless solution that reduces the calibration and maintenance time. The app offers some features like search, scan, and install. So via NFC, the technician can scan the sensor. Then with the app, they can configure and calibrate it. The app also offers real-time reports with an assistant of AI, and also suggests on offline maintenance with schedules and daily reminders. As well as developing the app, we also propose a new design for the sensor. In this design, the technician can open the sensor with just one hand because there are no screws, and it's a lot easier. Also, this design reduces the need to use the cable, so the technician doesn't have to carry as many things as they needed before. So now let's imagine our technician, Karina. She's going to set up a new device. So she has the Vaisala app on her phone, and she's going to set up a new device. She reads all the instructions, Wait, yeah. She does the login, and then she's going to scan the sensor. The sensor is then completed, and now it's connected to the app. In the app, the technician can configure the sensor. They can see the history logs, the calibration, then adapt the calibration as they need it, the temperature, humidity. They can put all the numbers in there. Yeah. They can choose the temperature, the humidity. Then the device is calibrated, and then the technician can choose a maintenance plan every 6 months, every 12 months, and so on. Then, just like that, the device is set up, and it reduces the calibration time. Yeah, it reduces. So, this was our stand in the final gala. We really enjoyed the gala because we got to present our project to a wider audience, and we got a lot of valuable feedback. Yeah, this was our stand. As you can see, we had the before, the after. As well as receiving a lot of valuable feedback, we also got to see the other projects that were very inspiring as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Congratulations, team. Any questions from the audience? Podem ser em português, mais uma vez. Não há questões. Uma questão ali.
I have a question regarding the new system. So, couldn't just any person get to the system, unlock it, and with an NFC card just alter the programming and, well, do what a technician would do normally with the before?
So these sensors are located in data centers. So for a normal person doesn't have access to the data center, only the technicians. Yeah. So yeah, they couldn't do that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Muito bem. Thank you. Any more questions? Mais questões? Não. Então, obrigado, equipa Vaisala.